If you need to get an apostille for your birth certificate in California, here's how to do it, either in person or by mail. Let's start with the pop-up shop option. The California Secretary of State now offers apostille pop-up shops at different locations throughout the year. These events let you get apostille services done in person. Just check their official website to find upcoming events near you. Keep an eye on the page because new dates are added regularly. To use this service, you'll need 3 things. The actual document that needs the apostille. It must be signed by a California public official or be an original notarized or certified copy. Photocopies aren't accepted. A completed apostille pop-up shop request cover sheet. The fee, $20 for each apostille plus $6 extra for each different official's signature. You can pay by Visa, MasterCard, check or money order. Just don't use cash. If you're paying by check or money order, make it out to Secretary of State. Now, if you'd rather apply by mail, you'll need to send everything to their Sacramento office. Here's what to include. The document that needs the apostille. Again, it must be original and properly signed or notarized. A cover sheet that says what country the apostille is for. You can use the official apostille mail request cover sheet or write your own. A check or money order for $20 per apostille. Again, make it out to Secretary of State. A self-addressed envelope so they can send the document back to you. If you want tracking, include prepaid postage from a service like FedEx or UPS. If you don't, they'll just use regular USPS mail. Now, where you send it depends on how you're mailing it. If you're using USPS, send it to the following address. If you're using FedEx, UPS, or DHL, you can send it to this address. They process everything in the order it's received. To check how long it's taking right now, visit the current processing times page on their website. That's it.